So this is going to be a no-nonsense, simple unboxing. What do you get in the box? Not very technical, so that if you're thinking of getting these, you can see what you get and what your first impressions might be. Okay, this is the brand new Fitbit Charge 3. I've apparently only just released this. It was my wife who was doing all of the research on these. Got these at Harvey Norman. This is a special edition which comes with an extra set of bands on it. We didn't pay this. There was a special on at, well, not a special. The Good Guys were selling them for $2.28, and Harvey Norman said originally that they could only do $2.68 for us, but after checking Good Guys website, they said, yeah, we can price match. So we got these for $2.28. My wife also got one with a different band on it, and I can't wait any longer. I want to open it up. Look at the packaging properly, and there's an easier way to open it at the bottom. You Wally. Okay, that's that bit. And there you have it. I'll take the protective coat off. I dare say it needs to be charged and everything. Okay, to start, download the Fitbit app, which I will do. I dare say that I'm going to be putting the black band on, because this would just become too dirty and messed up in my line of work. So they come with an extension band if you've got really big wrists, which I don't. So I get to use the short band. Instructions in the bottom, and charge and sync cable. Okay, that's pretty neat. So it charges with these little connectors at the back. So you just put it on there. I'll get this charged up and get the app on my phone, and we'll sync it up and see how we go. Instructions and warranty. Better look at that. Okay, so had a look through here. This is just in safety instructions. There's nothing else in there, and your warranty, I mean, but nothing about how to use your device. I was hoping to see something about how to change the bands out, but it seems pretty straightforward. See the little black bits just there? Click that. I can't get my finger in there now. And then these just basically I say basically. There we go. They just come off. Get your other band. Apparently there's a lot of resellers. Oh, not like, what are they called? Other companies that do bands as well. Putting the new one on couldn't be easier. That's on. I've paired my Fitbit with my phone. I've set up an account, and after pairing it, it said there was an update, so it's now just doing an update on the Fitbit. I've got to make sure I keep my phone close. They said I could use it, so that's good.
Didn't figure anybody needed to know how to download the app. I figure if you're looking for a smart device to go on your wrist for tracking, you can do that already. But I'll get some use in of the Fitbit, give it a week or two so I can see what sort of features it has, and then I might do another video, and that one might have a bit more information for people who might be thinking about getting this and comparing it to other smart wrist devices. Thanks for watching.